Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix website under maintenance on DeepSeek API key. Firstly, try to access the DeepSeek API platform via the website or app. You expect it to be able to access the platform or at least receive a clear message or notice about when the maintenance is expected to finish. Just attach a screenshot if available showing the error message or any relevant visuals that illustrates the problem to the contact support. The platform has been under maintenance for a prolonged period, which raises concerns, and there might be speculations that the site is potentially blocked or restricted in certain countries or regions, preventing access. So basically I have two solutions. The first one is to contact DeepSeek's customer support or try access DeepSeek via a VPN. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.